Oh, you got blueberry as well. And strawberry, banana, chocolate, vanilla. We're going in. And you can get other produce as well. There's the bottles. I don't know why you've got 3 bottles. How much milk were you expecting to get? I'm sure you can get replacement milk tops. Spare lids, available in packs of 50p for spare lids, 50p. So all your produce here, there's your bottles, and it works like a vending machine. And then you've got, you take the bottle to the milk machine, but if you already have a bottle like we do, you just stick it in, there we go, and shut the door, but you need to pay for it. So you get your card, get the card. I don't know where the other lids are. Oh, lids are 54 up the top there. Select product first.
Oh, which one again?
Milk. Milk.
Yeah, but you want milk?
Milk. Yeah, processing. And then press. Finished, please remove bottle. I don't normally like milk, but that is nice milk. Oh, pardon me. Oh, excuse me. Oh! So then we go over here. Obviously I need to get some more lids. So if I select, so it's number 54. And present card. Done. Processing, done that. Come on, Mr. Lids. Oh. It's processing, it's thinking about it. It's very slow. Oh, look at that. Whee! Magic. Here we go.
How many have we got?
5. You get a pack of 5 for like 50p.
Oh,
And then you get it out of the vending machine.
this is what Sal could do.
There you go, pack of 5. Do you want anything else? Do you want any chocolate, strawberry, banana, blueberry? While we're here,
What do you want? Blueberry?
you could try blueberry, yeah. There we go. Select product, that's it. Are you excited? Are you excited? Press the fill.
We'll bring that bottles.
I don't think you needed to bring all the bottles.
Yeah, we'll do another one while we're here.
You're going to drink it all, are you? You're going to drink 3 bottles of milk.
Well, what's the first one?
It will show you in a minute, it's on that screen.
Good idea.
It is a good idea. It's a good idea. Finished. Please remove bottle. Oh! Oh, it's Smells nice. Oh.
It's clean.
Right then, so those are your flavours. Choc orange, blueberry you just had, banana, chocolate, strawberry or vanilla.
It's up to you now.
I'm not going to be drinking the bulk of this. I'm going to drink the blueberry, but you can try a different flavour.
Try chocolate.
Banana?
Yeah,
Okay. Pudding. They do Christmas pudding.
What's this?
Mince pie. Popcorn.
Look.
They do loads of different ones.
You missed it. You bought some lids.
Magic. Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. Oh. Oh, I got a shower.
Chocolate.
Now we've got banana now. Right, and we've got galley bag of cheese here.
Have one.
What, cheese?
No, I want one of these.
You don't like milk?
Look what we've got here. We've got milk.
Look, we've got blueberry.
How do you get off? Can we get off? But
It will cancel, don't worry.
Well, it depends how much.
Are you going to go for some galley bag of cheese or not?
How much is it?
£3.80.
banana.
What else you got? Soft blue cheese.
That no banana.
That's very cool.
We've got banana already, isn't it?
Right? Oh, yeah. Which one are we next? So can we have strawberry?
Look at the little.
Something you
Can
enjoy.
we- Daddy, can we have strawberry? No, chocolate.
They want to buy another bottle.
Chocolate.
You can do that. Go on then. You better drink it all.
I love chocolate.
Yeah, well, you better drink it all.
Daddy, chocolate.
Really? We've got a bottle at home. Never mind.
Well, yeah, we've got enough bottle at home. We'll leave it.
No.
Let's see how we go with these ones, because we've got to drink these. They only stay fresh for so long. So we need to drink these first, yeah?
Next time we'll come.
Okay, next time we come. There's going to be Christmas ones at Christmas. We got milk.
How did it say milk?
That's what we got.
That one.
Yes.
Somebody's going to take them.
Who's going to take
We're
them?
going to take them in a minute. We'll put them up there just
Yeah.
This is cool, isn't it?
Can
Look
we
at
have
that
the
idea.
chocolate one?
Yeah, next time we come, we've got chocolate.
I like chocolate.